In Friuli Venezia Giulia, the cradle is emptying fast. Just over 2,500 babies were born in the first 5 months of this year, a record low. And in many towns, years pass without a single newborn. The region is aging fast. Women are no longer having babies or are having less babies. Why do you think this is happening?
Oh, maybe for work because we don't have a lot of work for young women, and for the career too, because the woman must study a long time and have no time for do a family or baby.
Because of the economy we're living in, because there isn't enough money, we are making enough money to sustain babies and to have a family. So probably because of this, and because many times when women want to work, they are asked if they are thinking about having babies. So if they're thinking about having babies, they're not getting the work, the job, and everything.
I agree with her. Yes, Italy doesn't give you enough money, enough salary to raise baby, to have a family. Even alone, you can't live alone only with your salary. So that's why many people are going outside Italy. So it's impossible to think about creating a family here right now.
Own life. They want to live their own life. Baby is also to have to share your life with the baby and with yourself. And the partner has to be part of this what is this system, yeah. And sometimes the partners, the men, they went away.
Yeah, I think pressure and the stress. Probably because in this economy, it's really difficult to have a family because the income is not high enough to raise people. Because having even only a child is really expensive. So people are losing the interest in having one because they don't have enough money.
In general, raising a child is a big responsibility because you raise an actual person which will become in the future an adult. Maybe some people aren't ready to take that responsibility, and
Because of modern time, everybody want to be like solo, but yeah, people need to be more traditional. Like women need to be more traditional. That is my opinion.
I don't know, the idea to have a kid, for me, yeah, it's beautiful, because I have this feeling, the feeling to be a mom, think like that. But I think it's too hard to create a new human being.
Here we are living more individually. We are living out of our families. Big families, maybe old traditional big families are like we are losing these things. So we need to take care of everything ourselves, and then when you live more individually, then everything becomes more expensive, actually, to sustain. And then it's harder to sustain in one more person. Like even it's like difficult to sustain alone, and then you create family, and then you have the child. Like it becomes like the load becomes more and more increasing more and more. So I think it can be a financial reason to not have childs.
Salaries are too low, rent and payment are too high, groceries are too expensive, and having children in today, something like that, it's just too expensive to have one more than just a one kid. For example, we have one kid, and it's fine. Having two times everything.